Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are reviewing the Keen. Let me check real quick. I don't want to misquote you. Carson mid work boots and or hiking boots. So it has an aluminum toe. It's electrical hazard, so it protects against electrical hazard, oil and slip resistant, and multilating upper. I'm not sure what that means, to be completely honest with you. So I wanted some more like athletic looking boots. As many of you know, I used to work on a railroad. Also grew up in construction, so having a good work boot is essential to every guy in your life. So if they don't have a work boot, this could be the work boot for them, whether they're helping you move. Currently we're moving, so it's gonna work great for this weekend. And then also, any other time you may need a steel toe, or in this case, an aluminum toe. So this is what it looks like. Kind of looks a little bit athletic-like, so that's part of why I got it. Pretty flexible. They said it was super breathable too, so I'm gonna try it on, let you know. Keens usually have a little bit wider toe box, for those of you with a little bit wider set toes. I've only owned one Keen pair of shoes before, and it got stolen, so I ordered some new boots. I'm gonna try them on. I still have them, these old Wolverines. So as you can see, I definitely have put use into these. Painting, construction, kind of a little bit of everything. Roofing, that's from roofing mainly. So I'm gonna try these on real quick, let you know how they compare. Super soft up here around the ankle support, so that's good. That's actually really good. It is webbed, so your whole tongue can't come out, which I would guess would help with if you spill anything on it. That way it doesn't get down and into it. It would protect it up to that layer, so maybe 4 or 5 inches up. Even when you're walking through snow, maybe here in Utah, not that it says they're waterproof, but if you're walking through the snow, you could at least like kick them off. Ooh, and they feel really good. They kind of feel, let me put the other one on just so I can make sure that I'm not like giving you a false reading. Let's see though. Let's see if I can take the insole out real quick just so you guys can see. This is what the insole looks like. Padded, cushioned, super flexible. This is good. And it's super soft, honestly. It says metatomical footbed utility. So these kind of feel like insoles that you might buy. So I am a size 9. This is what the inside looks like without the toe box. You can see that this is super cushiony. These just look really, really nice. They look athletic-like, so that's part of why I got them. If you're a little bit more stylish, going for style, you don't want to look out of place. And when I say that, I mean these are like more versatile. You can go from a job site to maybe date night, just depending on the rest of your clothes and how you're working. So put the next one on, let you know. Sometimes you're on your feet all day and you want super soft shoes. Ooh, I could definitely run. I don't think these would slow me down when running. So that is a plus throw. Just tie them up real quick, just to kind of see how they feel tightened up. Yeah. That's exciting. Bring the camera down so you guys can see what they look like at level. So maybe if I know how to work the camera. That's it. So wider toe box. This feels like it's gonna be really breathable, just due to the fact that it's mesh down here. When you put your pant legs down, it doesn't even look like I'm wearing boots. It just looks like I'm wearing tennis shoes. I know I'm gonna get crap for it at work. They're gonna come try to step on my toe. It's gonna be super hard. So that's how they look. Looks like I'm wearing regular tennis shoes. They feel super good, to be honest. I really like how much room I have. If you guys remember, I bought some xero shoes because they have a wider toe box as well. And in comparison, I mean, these are Wolverines. They look like they're about the same size, but I feel like I can spread my toe. And I didn't even get the wide ones. I could have got the wide. What's cool about Keen is when you go on to look at their shoe sizing online, it has similar fits. So you can look up, I threw on my Vans size 9 just to compare it. And it says that I should be a size 9 in Keen as well. But you can do like, there's a ton of different shoes, different boots, just different fits. So if you guys have shoes you really like and you're wondering what size you wear in Keen, you're not necessarily gonna have to like send them back and they make the sizing really easy. So I would say so far 5 stars for Keen on these. Depending on how they wear, that would be the only other thing. So check back with me in like 6 months. We'll go over the tread just due to the fact that I don't know how the tread's gonna hold up. I'm gonna try and put some miles on these things so you guys can see, but this is kind of the only concern I had. The tread isn't very deep. You see my finger, like that's pushing all the way down. So as like these Wolverines, I mean, these have been worn down. You know, there's usually a lot more grooves in it. So that's the only thing I'm maybe even worried about. I like that it's flat on the bottom. There's not a drop to it like some of these other work boots. This is more my style, way more my fit. Looks like there's maybe some metal grommets up here. If you guys wanted to go a little bit higher, more support around your ankle. Me personally, I might even bring out these eyelets just because I like my ankle to be able to move. I had an accident a while back in some other boots. What were they? They were Carhartts. Yeah. They were Carhartts, and they were a high boot. And because the grip on the bottom was so good in traction, when I went to turn, I was pivoting. I work pretty fast when I'm at work, so I like pivoted and like went to like turn the other way, and my boot didn't want me to turn. I wasn't able to, and I ended up, all that momentum like shifted me and rolled my ankle. So even getting it out of the boot after I had rolled my ankle really hurt. So anyway, this has been my Keen Carson mid boot review. If you guys like it, give it a thumbs up. Remember to, if you have any comments, throw them in the comment box below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit subscribe on the subscribe box, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.